Okay, today we're going to show you how to install automatic washroom dispenser. This is the Quadrasan unit and it has two holes to go either side here. So we're going to mark the wall like so with a pencil, and then we will drill the holes into the wall to take the screws like so. Okay. Before we offer the dispenser to the wall, I suggest you screw this pipe into the fitting because it makes it easier for installation. Otherwise you'll cross thread the metal onto the plastic fitting. So once you've screwed your pipe onto there, do it finger tight and then offer this to the wall, and get your screws and place this into the holes. And with your screwdriver, then tighten the screws like so. And you have two screws to do this. First one, and the second one on there, just to hold it in their place there. And these screws all come with a kit. Just tighten these up on the wall. If you're screwing it into marble tiling and you're not allowed to drill holes, there is supplied a 3M double-sided tape to stick it to the wall. Make sure you clean your wall before you put the tape onto the wall to get top adhesion. So you screw your screws home and make sure your unit is nice and straight. Then by taking your two batteries, first one goes positive down and the second one goes positive up. It does the double bleep on the unit to say it's accepted the batteries and it's ready for your refill. Your refill can come like this, and it's good measure to put your finger on the actuator and place the actuator into the receptor first and then push the cartridge into the base of the dispenser. Then we can then go about programming the dispenser from factory default settings to whatever time you want to set the machine up to. You press your program button and it will say 12 cartridges a year, so we need to accept that. Then it will ask you what day of the week it is. This one's on Monday at the moment, so I'm going to change it to Tuesday. Press enter, and then it will ask me the current time of today. So my current time of today is 20 to 3, so I need to change this round on the 24-hour clock to 1440. Press enter and enter again, so that has accepted it. And then it asks me what time to start. This one is going to start at factory setting at 8 o'clock in the morning. I wish to select 9 o'clock, so I've upped it on there and then press enter there. It then shows 1800 hours. My office shuts at 1800 hours, so I'll accept that. I can then take 7 days a week, because our offices are shut for 5 days a week. On there we can change it to 5 days a week, press enter. Saturday our office is closed, so we will enter on that and accept that one. Sunday is closed, so I'll accept Sunday closed on that one. On the screen now it says on there, do I want the IPE intensity plus event as extra shots? I'm going to accept yes on there. So I turn that on, I press enter, and I display the time on there to the time busiest of our washroom, which is normally lunchtime. So I shall accept 12 o'clock noon on there, press enter, enter, enter. It's now flashing up the countdown screen to say how many days are left in the cartridge. I require that on, so I'm going to press enter on there. And my battery function on there to say how long the batteries will last. good Procell Duracell gold top batteries will last approximately 2 years. So I will accept that. And also the last setting is an alarm to alert me that the cartridge is running out as well. So I'm going to accept that. So I press enter on there. This will then scroll through the whole of the program to the settings that we've required. And when it gets to the end of the program going through, it will tell us exactly what time it's going to then actuate into the tank. This now shows 3 minutes 50 seconds on the time working that it will pump through. The pipe is then taken and dropped into the header tank with this end on here with the weight on the bottom to anchor into the water. And what I would then do is to press enter to start the activation, and it will start pumping through the actual product. Close your lid up